Hey fam, blessed day to you. It's a beautiful morning. How are you? I'm there upon my little back porch and I am reaching out to you. So I'm saying good morning to you. Blessed day wherever you are, whether it's morning, night, afternoon, midday when you get to watch this little video. I'm just saying good morning. Happy Tuesday to you. So I'm here, giving God thanks for another day, and I hope that you and the fam bam are having a beautiful time. I hope that everything is okay, and if everything is not okay, just don't forget to pray. Yeah, you hear the bird them country me there, you know, but you don't know how which country. You hear the bird them? Yeah, that's the bird. Yeah, that's how you hear the bird. But that's some other country. Country me there. Yeah, but different country from St. Mary. No supposed to reach at St. Mary, man. Hear the birds, yeah. So it's a beautiful morning, as I say. I'm out giving thanks for another day. I have a little pain and sitting here and there, but guess what? Through the whole part up and down, you know. I try to work them up, but I have my body tense up and seize up. So I'm here. I want to give my ear some coloring to them. I'm not sure. I want to do it from about 2 weeks ago, but with the open relocation, and we are under hurricane watch. I don't know, something like that. I'm not sure, but the time is sort of bleaky and the sun is not out and it's sort of a little warmish, but you know, whatever it is, we give God everything because He promised to take care of it. Not true? Yeah, my face want me I get a piece of aloe vera when I go on this, so when that gone around on the front. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Oh, post notification shout out. It goes to Sheppy Bradshaw. I think right over here. I think so. I hope I'm correct. If not, I'll correct myself during the vlog. Okay. Thank you all so much. Thank you. I've seen you been commenting and I want you to comment more. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the new people on this channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next clip. So we are on the outside. Dad said good morning.
Good morning, family. Good morning.
Yeah. So Dad, I go do some heavy duty chuck up past. Dad, we are doing a rake up.
Yeah, a rake up.
Oh, was there big? Well, I forget one something the feet turns. Is it white already? Anything there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, wow. You look at tomato walk on feet, Dad. They get green up, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we are out here. That I do, you know, my always are doing little gardening, some little plant. You know, sometimes I have to go get some pot. Yeah, and kind of the spider web, something there, the spider plant or something like this, and take out. Wow, the dirt, you know, that one, look tight though. Yeah. Dirt, you know, that one, look. Yeah. And this one seems to come more. We have a nice little rose bush right here. Pretty rose, yeah. Yeah, and Dad start prune it up. So, you know, say rose or something you have to prune and water. We're on the outside that I do look rake up. Yeah, and all of that. We have a nice aloe vera here. When you come in, you break this in here. Piece of the aloe, one leaf of the aloe vera, I want it for my face.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to put some in my ear too. Yeah. I'm going to put something that I do look up. You're killing up, Dad. You have to find a way to change any filter there, yeah? Filter they want to change. I don't know.
Yeah.
If I go something there. We have a little pipe right there, so in the water we can catch up the water. Wow. So, yeah. Even though I country me there. We're there near the street, so you hear something that pass from the street. And you know, so I tell myself, so I had the same plant. I don't want to go out this way, lizard them there. I the same plant I have on the veranda. So guys, I'm just in the garden with you. And I'm showing you. Yeah! Hey Terence, I'm not around putting a lizard, you know. Hey, I want to see him everywhere lizard. Hey, look here. I'm not in and nothing with the lizard. So, yeah, last week Dad did over here. So I pick out the weed them out of the grass. You have to watch it, you know, you have to watch it.
Yeah, man.
Pick out the weed them out of the grass. And so So my fair watch. So them pretty. You know, so when we did that St. Mary, when we used to live at St. Mary's Pitney, we have pick some, we used to make some little bracelet and comment family and tell me if you know this plant. You should have. A lot of you watching this video should have. When we used to look under St. Mary Pitney, we pick these little petals together, and I'm gonna pick a few and see if I can remember and show you. We would make little bracelets from them, the petals, the red ones, join them together and make like a bracelet. Comment and tell me. Yeah, that out this I go on with anything. But you know me, I wonder why a cactus like this eat that in the sun. So what's wrong with it? You we want we just take it out and replant it. Like it have disease. A sun plant, it's supposed to be blooming in the sun.
Yeah.
Just like how there was like all these over here. Now you have some more of these too. Morning. Live near the road, people are saying morning. Yeah. These are cactus. They are blooming at the holiday. We have a lot of these too. Put some more of these. See? So see another one of the tree right here. So comment and tell me if you remember this plant here. I don't know, so I don't want to do up or something. And then so we under hurricane wash this. But I feel like say we should take out this from the root, eh?
Yeah,
And replant it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah.
The root right now.
We also want going down in there. You need to prune off this too. This need to prune off too. And this is the snake plant here, the pot we're transplant these. Do some transplanting. Wow, only per pot. So that over there, so. Am I going with where am I going with and all like that? So no me think so you over here, so we sweep off the porch here so and wipe it up. But not understanding the terms every day I see a different lizard.
The water the other day man it dry up in all them leaves them dry up.
You have to we have to know you have to cut this of that type and you're brighty. How you so bright?
No, I got to whole light this is we kill it, you know. This part.
Yeah, but we have to tie that pan. Oh, they tied it on it because it was thing there. So I guess you can type or cut it now. Yeah, when you prune and something else, when it's dry something you can't let it. Okay, that's fine. So I can take off the something there after it.
Yeah.
One little broom for them little window part of them the dust, you know. You can get a little rag still and deal with it. Yeah. That him good pan them something here in a farm. Them man him good pan them something here. We have things to the pan the road, you know, but we have to kind of stay put for now due to certain circumstances. Well, last week we stay put in.
Yeah.
And this week we have to stay put. That have work for God and stuff for them. You can throw some water in this, but this one whole heap come out of this, you know. Whole heap come out of this. This is definitely too small. Definitely too small.
What like?
The snake plant them we have to get all. I think we can take out some in and put in some pot. I want to say about that dirt. Oh, this one. This is a different thing though, you know. I don't think this one bloom.
Sure.
Let me go party I want to come on. No one a prickle get in on your This is nice. I don't think this bloom. I don't think so. You got here a whole heap of vehicles, me tell you. We are near Tucker Road. Sometimes the road get a little busy, the street get a little busy. Yeah. You have these here too. And this is just the same. Run so one brush up, man.
Yeah.
The power I saw inside of this, you know, Daddy get them at St. Mary. When my uncle Murphy then they go the last time. I never show you them. It's a different. I don't even know. I'm just waiting. I didn't show them. I didn't get to show them, but almost time for them burst now. I don't know if ants eat them out or something. Yeah. So I see one empty pot here. So I tell you that say I could have probably put the cactus. I don't know. But it have one side, so we don't have no extra side. That's alright. Sorry, the day I said that was I think it was, but I don't know. They have to tape it up, not because it's burst, but because it has. It looked like it's just too tall. Yeah, man. I burst it burst. Me go ask, I think I burst. Him just use the duct tape and tape it up because it always a coil up. It want one of them old something there for put up on the wall and coil it pan. Me I go see about that. I think it's 100 feet. I have this from maybe about 5 years now. So tomato tree. We bought this tomato tree. We carried it here with us. And it up one. Oh, that. Not sure. Me definitely when we reach on the road, I want to get some pot. This one some water. And this is near to the wall. When the wall get hot, I go burn it up. And I like this one too. I love this one. I want to plant it on the veranda. But I need nothing with them lizard there, you know. I think this one a little more pruning though. Dad was pruning it from the other day. And it'll catch up. It's catching up because it did look worse than this. Pruning it up on water and it's catching up. So for change the filter in the garden. And this is the plant I was saying, but I'm still not get to show the one. This is a pretty little plant I have here on the veranda. I'm gonna get a plant stand, a certain, you know, I'll make it a style. I'll get my welder to put this and a few others that I want right in the corner here, right here. So. Yeah. Well, so that we reach outside, make I show you. The other one, they look like the same thing, you know. So this is beautiful. I want a nice little plant stand for put it. Make a certain way that I can put others on it, and I want to put it right here in the corner. I have my pyro in the corner. I'm not ramping the lizard then because they love on the front porch. Yeah. Dad out there start doing like a sweep up. I sweep off the driveway, you know. I'm doing like a sweep up right there. So. Wonderful. Whatever there's something in here, look plastic shop or something. We're not depend on hardcore, like hardcore dirt and something. We're not depend that. Hardcore dirt and, you know, big lawn and all that something like that right here. So that I deal with them look or something right there. So feel hungry though, you know. That they're way next to the gate. Way out of the gate, so in there. So I'll just out and put another little pan there right out there. So I'll catch you again. Yeah man, I wonder if you get too much water. If you get too much water, we rat out, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not a water thing, you know, see look like. Yeah? Take out the root here too. Take out the whole line. This looks like an overwatering, don't? This is cactus. It doesn't, I don't know, but the sun has been really hot. Take it out from the root. I guess you can cut off them all root there. No plant it back with them all root there. I don't know about them, I'm not so familiar. You know them. Let's see one cut over this or something that's probably the one day in the middle right this one. Where did I put in this?
Put it back in it.
Right, see man. Cut off the old root then. The dirt is, I don't like that was here, you know. This look like overwatering though. Cut them rooty, then why you think you should have dig up some more. I don't feel say you should have put it back in this store. I don't know why. I think you should have put something. I think you should have put one of the turns. Put one of the or two of the snake plant in this one. Now put them back, now put this back in it. Put that out there so the sun always there. No, you're not gonna hear me, you know. See them ripe up. Yeah. Water soak roots. Please, you should have put two snake or the snake plant. Yeah, you waiting?
Them,
yeah.
Not this.
One or two because them send up a lot of sucker. Too much root. No break it, just lift it up on the root. I think you should have probably water it and make it soak out. That's not hard for catch, you know.
Still have bottom pan it.
Yeah, but no, take out that one. You see this? Try get it out. You see it nice? Take it out. Too much. This is too small. This you know, you can't put snake plant in them little patty. There's something them messing up when it them take long to catch, you know. But when them do catch, oh, they are nice. They're so nice. Right. Take up that and maybe this one. This I got catch. This have root.
This? Yeah, man, you catch.
Alright, not put no more because they send up so much roots. You have to go get a whole heap of pot to transplant them, you know. Yeah. You have to put them like 1 or 2 suckers in huge pots. And them on the outside plant of such, you know. Them are more veranda and in-house plant. Yeah. Them are more front porch and in-house plants. Yeah, it's very good to keep indoors. It's one of those nice indoors plants. You see all that now? That should have go deeper. All that, you shouldn't even put no more in it with it.
Just the one?
Yeah, because it's send up, just leave it. It send up so much sucker. And you're gonna see how beautiful it is. And it doesn't love the sun. So if you say me I go wash off the pot and next day and get it on. But me have to have something for put it on the veranda for put it on. And make it stay there until I get the when they make the stand. These are not plants for the outside. They don't do well in the sun. They do well in the shade and indoors. Beautiful. That you have to plant them in huge, deep pots. So we could not cut off those. Eh? No, but look here. You know, cut them off at the point. You don't cut them off at the point. They're not gonna look good. Root it up, dig it up. Yeah. And put some water. And that's a boy, lizard. Take up that one I can and they say to me, now come over there, you have to wet it. Turn on the hose and get up the water and wet it and make it cool down.
I'll put this in it.
No, no.
Oh.
Me I tell you if you take it out of the corner, because me I try to show them say it dry up. Me I show them say it almost look like the one I have. Yes, it is the same thing,
okay.
Don't?
Yeah, same type
of
plant.
What was it did give me? Yeah, nice. So put it. I'm going to corner. So see all one next part, the empty.
Yes, empty
yeah,
one.
Put one a snake plant in there and put a next one in the other one. When we get enough soil, then soil they look tired though.
Tight. Should not water.
Yeah. Wet them up and left them. But that's a little pot. That's a little pot there. Dad, that's a little brown pot right there. What is in it?
Yes. This.
So what is that though?
You don't know what kind of plant it is.
And it's a dry up. See cactus here again right there, so now the well. I don't know.
Them want water.
So you know out there with you never water?
Yeah, me water them, but it got little
but
bit
yeah.
Good.
Alright.
Long time them not get water.
So look here, we are gonna put one of the snake plant in this, so or 2 of the small sucker and 1 or 2 yeah. And this we just now got when we got St. Mary, we carry down some nice rich dirt. Yeah? See?
You can put in that there.
Well, we are gonna put in that 9 days so we pepper them, you forgot?
Oh.
9 days so we pepper them. Yeah. We have more pots right there so I can put stuff in there, but there's no soil. For me, them up at St. Mary, you water them when you got there with there for me.
No,
True, always water them through the grill for me. That the dirt doesn't look like a good dirt.
Yes? Fat.
But put it in this still. And put the other one, it all one, yeah. It's like how you put that other one in there. So you put big, you know, put them, because them send up a lot. When them catch and start to send up suckers, they send up a lot. And then for going a deep, nice spots like that. Yeah. Them there up at St. Mary, they must have gone to the dogs. Why? Through the up and down. Up a yard. Yeah, me know. But me I go get everything. That's right. Just wet up them. I don't think if I wet nothing right now. Wait till when the sun cool.
Yeah, later.
Yeah. And some new lizard them. I never see them lizard there yet. Yeah. You say my jump on a go on board pet. Him better don't jump on me. That me I tell him. That good there, so. Yes, so you know what is in tear, me know so that it must jump so. Look here, hello. Me don't in that one thing that no ground lizard, well a country, ground lizard not their country. Rather massive God, the lizard then we should have come out earlier, not true.
What that?
That we could have get for water, but if we just wait later on we water when it's sun down, we can come water in the evening and so. We have one empty pot down here, so.
One pack up there, so
Yeah, it wants soil.
soil.
Oh yeah, you put anything in this? A little plastic bucket there right there. So nothing. Make it safe for we store stuff in there. So Terence, may I ask you one question now? Everyone, and a burst the hose burst now. This but I throw it twine up.
I throw it twine up.
So we have to get one of the twine that hose twine and sit and then put on the wall and yeah.
Smaller hose.
Yeah.
When you know how it crease up so.
True, we never have the space for it. Them hose are not Terence make for them make for dip on the
yeah, the thing where you twine.
yeah, them hose yeah. That's why a good hose. Enough money me pay for, you know. Enough money me pay for. I may have to go buy back the sprinkler part fake. I look like say I cheap one Gerard dig up by.
Yeah.
So when I want to take up a look spider plant, but me buy pot. Me buy some pot. And this is a nice running plant, you see? I take it up and put it in a hanging plant. I go take it up. Anytime I get on the road in the week, yeah, I buy a hanging pot and I buy a pot for the spider plant. Yup. I carry twice spider plant, set them and carry for St. Mary too. Then I try my treadmill over there to see if it can run. How long the same thing pack up and I could even get to go up on it. Life not easy enough, I tell you, life can take you some places. Alright, what you going to do now to see if it can run? Turn it on. You plug it in, turn it on. Alright, so you come up there so now. I'm not really going to go up on a treadmill right now. I mean, watch it there. Let me see. Alright, it's alright. It's there from a long time I don't see it. Due to certain circumstances, I don't even know if it did beyond my control or what. Alright. Alright, so I'll clean it up and this sweep it up and get it where I'm supposed to get it that I can go back fine. It says here, you see how there's something still? And Gerard them did use one sitting and damage the belt. You see what I say? It is what it is. Life can take you some places sometimes. You never really sign up for it. But it is what it is. Been taking me some lots of places. Whole heap of place. But you know what? I just go through all of this time because I am a good girl. I've always been a good girl. Always been a good girl from a little pitney. They behind my mother till now. I'd always I say, God bless you, God bless you. But let me tell you. Life can take you some places where you never. But you know, I'm just learning to trust the process and the journey that the Lord is taking me on. Yeah. I don't complain much these days because, you know, my journey has been winding and twisting. But you know what happened? It's okay. And if you're having some winding and twisting journeys too, just trust the process. If you believe in God, and if you have follow Father God, just trust the process and not watch your face. See? It's just the process. Upon the front porch, I'm going to catch up, man. I eat nothing from man. I have 2 pieces of overnight sweet potato. I fry them over. I love when sweet potato fry over. You know? Yeah, so right now I feel hungry. Feel real hungry. I have a cooking video to do. So, I think I have a pause after that little vlog in here now. Get me something to eat and do my cooking video and then we saw it go again. As I'm telling you, so we stay put all last week and we stay put this week. But we are okay. We are okay. We are okay. Giving thanks. Yeah. But me catching around now the next clip. Yeah, I make breakfast. Yeah. Okay, I make our breakfast. Hagan. Well, that's something in your bagel. And balloon. So where tea there, Mama?
I'm not something later, say.
Make sure you make one. You have hot tea up? What kind of tea?
Coffee.
Okay. Yeah, family. So Koba make our breakfast. So guys, it's lunchtime for me. It's like after 1. I'm having some American porridge. I did a twist to it. You'll see that on the cooking channel. I think you will see this American porridge video on the cooking channel before you see this little vlog. So yeah. No, someone never saw the one, so beautiful. Lots and lots of coconut milk. Lunchtime. Good morning. Wanna see my tea? Just eat some overnight curry. Drink a little cup of black tea. It's another day though, and I'm giving thanks. Still not color the ear yet. Come on, girl. I don't know today. Today is a kind of busy day. I was telling myself I will stay put for last week. We'll stay put this week and maybe next week too. So it's another day. It's a blessed day. We are giving thanks, Dad.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Yeah, so we are here. I'm on the back porch. So me got laundry to do. I'm not sure if I got the laundry, but I want to sweep off and wipe off the back porch. Not sure on the washroom. Sweep off the back porch, sweep out the wash and maybe I'll put in the laundry because we have some things to do. So that is it. I got carried away for a while. I'm sorry about that. So Daddy, I got wait up the plant, then we should have come out early, but yes, sir. Be asleep late these days, you know, because I look careful, body tired and pop down, you know. But I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hope that everything is okay. And that you and the fam bam are in good health, giving thanks. Health is everything. Once you have health, everything is okay. If you don't even have no wealth, wealth can come after health. But once you have health, just give God the glory. And yeah, if you believe in the power of prayer, you know, try remember for bust a look on prayer. Porch right here, right out there, so Dad I got put out garbage. I don't keep the garbage in the kitchen. Like when I used to never back porch, so I keep it on the back porch. Dad, see, could they. But I'm going to do it officially and wipe it off still. Real washroom, yeah. Show you real life. I don't do things that are not real. I'm turn on the lighter. Yeah. I will go and turn on the light in my washroom from out there, but them can't see. Yeah, we have laundry here for do. Comforter. I don't know. But it's laundry. Laundry did it for do. So I go do some laundry. Wash tub and like that and all like that. Washroom with there. Yeah, back porch. Yep, all of them same thing there. Yeah. So this is what is. Let me cover them pot and something of them for pack when. Let me tell you, we are still relocating. We're not done yet, so yeah, Dada go on with that thing, but cool run, I say. So Dada bring up a sweep up and so and then we have them box if I put out a road to, not true.
Yeah.
We have a box out there so if I put out a road and we stay put, so we are trying to get the little things then in. The mesh right there, so use the broom and kind of dust it off. Take that, yeah. No, it a dirty up more. I forgot wash off the broom. Yes, so we look on the outside, yes, so. No, that look morning routine as ever, anywhere him go, anywhere him live. Could they. We broke out, sun up and running, and we never get the thing that the land last night, eh? We wet it up. How we go on? As I tell you now, we are near the street, we're near the road. So I wear my slippers, I'm not wearing the slippers, they go out there, so. Yeah. Good morning to my plant. I'm going to say good morning to my little veranda, one little veranda plant for now. Yep. You know, someone want to call show again, see if I get to. Good morning. Good morning. So you see Daddy changed out that yesterday? Yeah, looking bright and every little thing. Good morning. I'm going to say good morning to my little garden part. Yeah. And if you look at garden tip on have, you can't tell me as I go along, you know. So Daddy I go with a little wet tub. Yeah, I can't wait to see pepper them a burst. Pepper them a planting here. So, but dad never do. Wow, good morning to my little one tomato. Look like you want to look for something to mulch. You do take time, take time. I say you screw this something with you and duck down the little one plant. Wait up this one now. I'm gonna hold it now. Good morning to my pretty girls. Say good morning. Say good morning to my pretty rose bean. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They are blooming. Boy, Dad, you have a Hannah gold boy. Yeah, and they look so nice. Yeah, yeah. You come out and see something like this, it make you feel bright. I love plants, you know. Please comment and tell me. But you know what, Dad, every time I start my plant journey, but I think God is God. I love plants. Like seriously love plants. Yeah, you know. Wow, this is looking good. You did this yesterday? Wow, this is looking good. Look at that where that water. Snake plant over there. So wow. And see there, we're gonna wash off the outside of the plant. The same thing like the one in the veranda. Cut it and something. So that'll be really cool. Watering, just a little bit of watering. Yeah, we might get some rain over the weekend still. Nice little watering. Remember in our weekend we see if we can get this a filter sitting here. Because for 1% mirror look different from this. Not true. Easier to chew. I have not reached anywhere further. I don't start doing any work yet. Actually, I am waiting on a technician to come look on the washer because it look like say me not understand and I don't know. It's not anything much, but me just say look here, make them come look on it and tell me what is what. You see me? Yeah, so actually I'm here. I'm gonna reach much further. Sun is hot. I'm gonna be doing some extra cooking for some people in the weekend. Some may have some prepping to do. So I have meat there tying out to season and some other stuff to do. So I'm gonna be moving on to that. But I won't be vlogging that per se, you know. No, I'm gonna put full that on camera. I can't vlog that. So and actually I'm waiting on a technician to come and kind of get me up to date on this machine here, on this washer here. Here the truck, a big truck, a parts by. Around with people, you know, people are below Jamaica, you know, family everywhere. It's just what do you call it, material going with sand, cement. When them truck they will do the mixing, we carry the cement to mix up. Just anywhere in Jamaica you turn right now. I build it. So I'm not reaching for a job, I tell you. Get them meet them, put them out for thought and me away. Me away for the technician to come. I want to do some wiping up and do some laundry and some stuff. But I'm not in a hurry, I'm not have no flight out yet. This year now I'm going to do for today again because I'm like do my ear early. Come I go to do my ear and for put my foot them. You know there's something there. Forget little scrub off on my feet them and something. Because since we can't move from last week, this week and next week look like it will be the same. We have stuff on the road to do. Dad have work for the business and me have to take care of it. We stay put. Last week, this week I have some stuff here. Me I'll do some extra cooking this week. Hopefully I can move by next week to get other things going and get things moving. So look here. Me want to end a little vlog here, don't know. Because this was like I just showing you what I have at my garden. I'm gonna be getting my plants back together. And them they sent me a receipt, me the care up. Oh Lord. Them gone to the dogs. Bad treatment. Bad treatment, bad treatment. But me I go again. Let me tell you, but before I was a plantalic in our family. Everybody will know me for like plants. Jesus. But let me tell you, enough is enough. But I'm embarked again for my plant journey. Everyone will go plants. I still have some for carry over when me at now. I still have some for move to St. Mary. But them always say when your plants not going nice, I say your lifestyle. You ever hear about that? So me I talk to no and like my mind not there. My mind is here, it's just that I'm focusing on a lot of things and I never even realize that I talk to them. But I saw it go because I have so much things to do and I have to sit down, stay put, getting some rest in still. So and anytime I vlog at home, I saw it go nice. It worse if I run on the front porch because where I'm near to the street, right? So sorry about that. I'm sit down here so I go end a little part, a little garden as I go along. I wish I pepper them the birds, but actually it never makes sense. You have to understand for till them beer. That got them in St. Mary the other day from this guy went by turmeric from up there. Him get that them and that come and put them down. Some one or two did ripe and it dry up. And we say we have things there. Some of them like they did young. So we just put everything in a two of them something out there. So yeah, wait to see if the technician I go call me that I can do and I can do. I'm to start with some laundry. I don't like laundry late, you know. Yeah. So and then I go wipe off the front porch, washroom and back there. I definitely have to do that. Then I go move on to my prepping for my cooking. So do you I'll catch you again with another video for the week. We're coming to the weekend. So in that video you see me have some more activities. Thanks for watching, thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Stay tuned and keep abreast of what we have to post. Always tell you for a long time, so this channel we are going to start come bigger and better, more content and everything, but I'm still not there yet. I am just having some log back things waiting to do, some things where you want put in a, you know. Yeah, I want to move. I sit down the whole of last week, I sit down the whole of this week. I have stuff to do. We have business, so I got bad things to take care of, but we can't move due to certain circumstances. So thanks for watching once more. I'll catch you again with another video. But just not into it right about here now, but tell us if I go vlog with you. See? So I talk to you at the same time. Things are kicking in my brain. Have the seasoning up and for the food, them for look out and them stuff. So that kind of from my brain and now they talk to me, I think say all of my big container them come over what I need for you. So thanks for the love again. I'll catch you again very soon with another video. Remember to just go check out my videos. Okay? So bless.